What's going on YouTube? This is gonna be my first video on Rebel Dipper 24's first video on YouTube. As you can tell, we're sitting in my farm truck. It's a 86 Ford F450, I believe. It's diesel. Might be a 350, I can't remember, but it's real fucking old. And yes, I live on a farm, as you can tell. Well, you might not be able to tell, but it's a flatbed. Here, don't grab the camera. It's a flatbed. Got it parked where the cow used to be. It's sturdy as shit. I went mudding in it in 3 points. Yeah. I will crank it up, but keys are in the house. So I don't have no fucking heat. That's just fabulous. But today we're gonna be dipping on some Copenhagen mint long cut. It's usually the camouflage can, but I don't know why it ain't in this one. For some reason it ain't. Nah, I do got mud jugs, but I got one. Damn. Alright. Now I do got mud jugs, but I just ain't got one with me. They're all at my mom's. And I'm at my grandma's. So I don't know why the hell I done that. But alright. Now if you hang on a second, I might be able to figure out how to lower this damn thing. I guess you can't. But I'm trying to put the camera right here. Good enough. I reckon it's good enough. Yeah, weird. But yeah, like I said, I do got one, but it's at my mom's, and I'm at my grandma's right now. And yeah, so we're gonna be fitting that strap bottle. All right, now let's go ahead and put the pinch in. As you can tell, pretty full. I don't know why I keep on looking back. Get a small one. I don't know who's leading. But yeah. I'm thinking, since it's first YouTube video, I think I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all my first dip. We was in this barn, some milk barn, but it was over, and I was in the loft. And who the hell is that? I think it might be neighbors, but I was in the loft, and we still go back in here, and so I was sitting here, I was working, and my grandpa was like, "Want you?" I was like, "For sure." I was about 8, and put one in. I was doing all good, and I started getting dizzy and shit. I took it out, but apparently it was too late, and I just wide-eyed, I think you call it, and I just fell out of a tree, or a damn, I just fell out of the loft, and I sat there, and then I woke up, and everybody's down here laughing at me, my brothers and shit. And I thought, well, damn, I done fucked up, embarrassed myself, but yeah. And my first, that was Levi Garrett, if I didn't tell y'all, but my first dip was Skull Wintergreen, and I got sick as shit off of that. But like a week later, I tried some of that Copenhagen, I think it's No, it was Cope. It's like that seasonal shit. I think it was Whiskey Bloom, maybe. And I got buzzed off of it a little bit, but that was about it. It actually surprised me. Let me adjust my mirror real quick. I just don't want no one going up behind. Fix your shit, came off track again. Alright, there we go. And yeah, so I'm guessing we're gonna go ahead and do a review on this while we're at it. I think from watching Redneck TV, I think it was, who does the can look and shit like that, and Josie Joey Les Dev 94 starts off with the can too. So here's the can. I think I got that facing right. I really ain't a big fan of the can, but if it's camo, like the hunting seasons, I like it a whole lot better. And I don't like this. I got it's the can lid cover shit with Jacob Bob. It goes on top, clips on it, and when your tin gets empty, can, whatever y'all call it, I call it a can. You take it off, the lid off, put on the other can. And I reckon it works on all of them besides Red Seal, because Red Seal is 25% more bigger, or some shit like that. And, oh shit, chicken's good. But, on the back, guaranteed fresh, April 16, 2017, 1-866-404, 1-82222. 22s. But I reckon that's the number to the Cope hotline. I like doing side packs just because when people are asleep and doing class, don't make a lot of racket. See, this is the normal pack. You just go. Alright, that was shitty one. Hang on a second. Alright. Then you get the side pack. I think it does a whole lot better because it's sideways. And all the backer goes down, tightens up. Alright, so we're going to shake it up and just do one. Packability, it's about like all Copenhagen besides natural and snuff. Sniff. And I think it tastes like that damn Colgate, I think what it is, toothpaste. And it relaxes, I think it relaxes your jaw. It's fucking good. It's like I think it's some Lifesaver mints. It's like round and little and shit. They smell like wintergreen, but they taste like mint. And oh my god, it's fucking fabulous. If I'm gonna put this back on, I won't be able to use my blinker. Well, damn. Hang on a minute, Ito. There we are. And I like it. It's stemmy as shit. That's what I don't like about it, but it's a pretty decent dip. And I don't know about where y'all at, but when it first came out, I'm in East Tennessee. When it first came out, it was $2.39. and I got hooked on it. And now the motherfuckers raising the fucking price, and now it's like $2.79 or some shit. I go through about a can of it a day. Pretty sure I just fucking fucked my blinker up. Not like the left one works anyways, but... Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, it's gone now. Alright. Yeah, yeah, this is my truck. She's an 86 Ford. I'm not a real big Ford fan. I got a Chevy C10. She's an 85. She's mean as hell too. I got it all stock. It's brown, and it's like hardly any damn mileage on it. Like hardly any at all. But this motherfucker, it's got almost 100,000 miles on it, I believe. Yeah, almost 100,000 miles on it. But the motor blew or some shit, I don't know. Some boy that had this before me said something about the motor fucked up, and he put no one in it, and it's got about half the miles. It's an 86 body, but it's an 89 motor. It's a no, I lied to you. No, that's not a 450. That's my other one. I really don't know what the fuck's in this thing. I don't know. I don't even know. But if this, I got a 450. It ain't in nothing. It's just sitting there in the garage. But it's a 450 big block, and it was in a farm truck like this. And I think about putting it. I'm trying to save up some money and get me I think about a 83 Fox body, and I'm thinking about putting it in that. And that motherfucker be fast too, because the gear ratios and shit. But for this being a damn 85, it's actually pretty clean. I mean, drive it almost every day. I mean, I got a co-op and everything. She goes through about 2 bottles of transmission fluid a week. Yeah, damn transmission. I ain't got no transmission seal. Like, it's fucking gone. That's why I park it out here in the barn, because my grandma bitches at me when I park it in a concrete driveway. And it's already got one like that big fucking splatter. And yeah, I parked it out here. It's just dirt out here. But it's got 2-inch lift on it. And it's a dually, of course. And it's a dump bed. Let's see if I can show y'all the that's the bed. Damn bed's white as hell. I mean, it actually looks pretty nice. I think that looks nice. Says damn voltage on the batteries halfway, but I know that's a damn lie, because I ain't got no battery in it right now. I'm using it for the C10. But that's how many miles it got. And yeah, it's pretty nice. It's classic. Nothing's on here electrical really. I'm thinking about pulling out this radio and putting in a one of the modern ones with the aux cord, I think you call it. And it's got the wing windows, of course. And I don't know how the hell the cinder block got in it, but there's cinder block in the passenger floorboard. And it's got the classic window. It's got some rust up here. And it's got a hoe. Let's see, where is it? Right here. Yeah. It's got a hoe right here. And there's a wire that ran up to it. And I had a CB antenna right here. I think it was 12 or 10 foot. It was ridiculous as hell. So I took it off, but I used to be contacting Jesus with the long ass antennas. And damn, better put my parking brake on. And yeah, so that's about it for this. And y'all come join me. I'm trying to make a video about every 3 days or so. I'm gonna be experimenting different dips. Although I hate to do that because I'm a Copenhagen mint fan. And yeah, so I'm trying to see how long it takes for this thing to take off, or see how many subscribers I can get. And yeah, so if y'all could subscribe, that'd be nice. Alright, I thank y'all, and I'll make another video here soon.